This is the ARES. It's a ruggedized sports fitness watch, 3-atmosphere waterproofing. You can definitely swim with this one. Variety of different controls. Do not disturb. Brightness, by the way, it's on the lowest brightness possible. Find your phone. Your overall settings are here. You've got step count information, heart rate, last night's sleep information, weather in your area in Fahrenheit or centigrade, or a music player. When you tap this button, you go dynamically into your different fitness routines that you can call up. You've got walking, yoga, sit-ups, running, all kinds of things, and swimming is on here as well. Over this way, that training that we got to is there. Status is your step count and so forth. You also can do blood pressure. You have more, which has a countdown timer and a stopwatch built into it if you want to go into there. When it's running, it will run, and when you leave it, it pauses it rather than resetting it. So you can actually use it effectively while you're doing a routine. You take a break, just pause it, and then come back into it, and you can pick it right up from where it was. Very, very nice. You've also got a flashlight that you could use in the dark, and a few other goodies. You've got settings for it to get your QR code, turn it off, reset it, get info, and of course change your watch faces from there, for which we have a few other ones. A nice digital one here, an analog one, which is pretty cool, and one more that you can put that's custom that you can download from the app. You'll see that in the full review. So check it out. Really nice, easy to use, colorful band. The ARES Smartwatch Fitness Super Thin.